Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about complex fractions. A complex fraction is a fraction on top of a fraction. So it's a fraction on top and a fraction on bottom. But a fraction is just a division problem. So the first step is going to be to simplify everything. Okay, so I have one fraction on top and one fraction on bottom. And then we're going to turn the division into a multiplication by flipping the bottom. And then we're going to simplify. So these are no different than a combination of the division problems we did 2 classes ago and the addition and subtraction problems we did in the last set of notes. So let's take a look at an example here. This one's really easy because it's already been factored. It's already one fraction over one fraction. I have one fraction on top and one fraction on bottom. So let's rewrite it as a division problem. X squared over x plus 1, x minus 1 divided by 3x over x plus 1. Now how do we divide? We flip the second and multiply. X squared over x plus 1, x minus 1 times x plus 1 over 3x. Now cancel out anything we can cancel. X plus 1's will cancel. This x will cancel with one of these x's. That leaves me an x on top and a 3 x minus 1 on bottom. So that's not too bad. I had a factored problem. I wrote it as division. I flipped it and turned it into multiplication, and I canceled out. Where complex fractions are difficult are problems like this. I don't have just one fraction on top. I got to write this as one fraction, and then I got to write this as one fraction, and then I got to write it as division, then I got to write it as multiplication, and then I got to solve. So on top, what's a common denominator for the top? It's x. The first one was only over 1, so it needs an x. The second one was already over top of x, so it doesn't need anything. So my top is going to be x plus 1 over x. How about the bottom? Its common denominator is x. The 1 wasn't over top of anything, so it needs the x. This 1 was already over top the x, so it doesn't need anything. So now my problem, the top is x plus 1 over x divided by x minus 1 over x. That's not how we don't divide fractions. We flip and multiply. So x plus 1 over x times x over x minus 1. Does anything cancel? The x's cancel. My final answer, x plus 1 over x minus 1. We'll do a lot more practice in class, but that's the basic idea. Get one fraction on top, one fraction on bottom by adding or subtracting. Turn it into a division problem, flip it and turn it into a multiplication problem. Any questions, guys? Come talk to me. Thank you.